Why does two-state updates sometimes cause one re-render and sometimes two? Inside a React event handler, calling set A to 1 and then set B to 1 gets grouped, so React does a single re-render. But in older React, if you make the same two calls inside a native timer like setTimeout, each call fired its own render because those callbacks ran outside React's event system. In plain terms, React used to only watch its own events, so it could batch those updates. It didn't automatically watch timers and async callbacks, so those updates flushed separately. Historically, React automatically grouped updates only during its own synthetic events and lifecycle work. That meant native timers, promise callbacks, and other async code were invisible to the old batching logic, so each set state in those callbacks caused its own render. React 18 changed this. Automatic batching now covers timers, promises, and other async callbacks, so multiple set state calls inside a timeout or async handler are combined into one render. For example, instead of set A causing a render and then set B causing another, React 18 will apply both and do a single render. If you ever need an immediate render for layout measurement, you can opt out with flushSync, which forces the update to happen right away. But use that sparingly because it cancels batching and can harm performance. In practice, before React 18, async flows like polling, debounced inputs, or chained promises often caused extra renders and wasted CPU. With React 18.18's automatic batching, you get fewer wasted renders and smoother UIs. Best practice: rely on automatic batching for better performance, and only use flushSync when you absolutely must measure layout or force an immediate DOM update.